If GTA 5 is lagging on a low-end PC, this video is for you. I'll show you simple settings and easy tweaks to boost FPS and make the game run smoother. Check my video description for this FPS fix. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open the FPS fix. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, open Potato PC and navigate to Documents, Rockstar Games, GTA 5. Drag and drop the settings.xml to desktop to take backup. And drag and drop the modded settings file in here. Right click on the settings XML and say edit in Notepad. Scroll down to the bottom. Copy this graphics card name. This varies depends on the graphics card you use. Right click on the settings XML in GTA 5 and select edit in Notepad. Scroll down and rename. Paste the graphics card name and select file and select save option. Now you can start the game. Once you are in game, press the escape key and go to settings. Go to go to graphics and change the resolution to your monitor's resolution. Then refresh rate, set this to 240. To show you guys the FPS difference, I'm setting 240. And place changes. Select yes to save this setting. And I'll show you guys before and after comparison. And now I can able to enjoy the game on my PC without a graphics card. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.